Subject Physical Education for class 12th, Unit 8, Biomechanics and Sports. In this unit, we will carry on the topic Types of Movements Part 2. In the Part 2, we will also discuss the remain body movements. And through that, we are trying to understand the body movements. Now we will take at first abduction movement of the body. It is a movement that is away from the midline of the body. It means it is known as moving body part. Away from the midline, for example, lifting the upper limbs horizontally to form a right angle with the side of the body. It is a movement away from the midline. This movement, it is called the abduction. We will try to understand through that figure. In this figure, it is the body structure and it is the midline of the body structure. This is the arms. It is arms and it is also the arms. And now we are just move our arms towards the spreading. In this position, we have to try to spread our arms like this. In that position also. This is the condition of the abduction, because it is the line, it is the midline and it is the going to the far away from the midline. This is the midline and it is the far away from the midline in this way. So in the same condition in legs also, these are the legs and these are the away from the midline. This one, these are the legs. It is legs, it is also legs. In this condition, the legs are also going far away from the midline. So it is the condition of the abduction. Now we will come on the second topic, adduction. It is a movement that is towards the midline of the body. It means it is the body structure and it is the midline of the body and these are the arms. It is in the spread conditions. And now we will just come in closer to the midline. This is also the arms and it has come in the same, the closer to the midline of the body. The arms has come in the very closer to the midline. In the legs also, these are the legs and it has also come again to closer to the midline of the body. So it is the condition of the adduction. This movement, it is called adduction. It is also just opposite to the abduction. So same like that, through these figures we are able to know regarding the abduction and adduction movement of the body. Thank you.